Welcome back to our series on AI tools, the superheroes of our digital age. Just like Batman needs his tool belt to fight crime in Gotham City, we need our AI tool belt to navigate the digital world. Today, we're adding another gadget to that AI tool belt, straight from the AI Batcave. So this tool is all about quickly changing up your text, making it sound better in no time. This is the AI that can rewrite and enhance your general writing, be it in your messages, emails, schoolwork, blog posts, or SEO content. This tool is for everyone. And I'm talking about Wordtune, an AI writing assistant that's integrated right into your iOS keyboard. It can rephrase your sentences, improve your writing confidence, and save you time. Wordtune can be used virtually anywhere. On your desktop, in the browser, in your email, or even on mobile, popular messaging platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, even Twitter. You can rephrase anything from academic essays to corporate emails, making it a versatile tool for all your writing needs. Now, the most exciting feature, it's seamless integration in your iOS keyboard. And it's not just using any AI model or from OpenAI, ChatGPT like those models. It's a custom model, making it hard to detect that your text was written by an AI, and it's super fast, whether you're rephrasing sentence by sentence or an entire paragraph. Wordtune makes it quick and easy. Plus, you can choose between casual or professional modes, depending on your writing needs, whether you're texting a friend or drafting a business email. Wordtune has you covered. All right, let's take a look at Wordtune on the AI tools directory. So from the features, you can see that it's also grammar and spelling, suggestions, but the most important is obviously rewriting and rephrasing. This is the number one feature. Second important is that it's got Chrome extension, so you can use it in the browser everywhere, and iOS keyboard. You might ask, is this free? Yes, Wordtune is free, but I highly recommend paid version. And in terms of the difference between other tools, as I mentioned before, it's got unique model. And that unique model means that it's harder to detect by AI detection tools because you've got a lot of permutations of options to choose from. Okay, and lastly, I just want to show you what people are saying about Wordtune. So rephrase, people are using it for rephrasing. Other people use it in a combination with other writing tools. So they use other tool for writing, then rephrasing, then improving, and then grammar. And this user actually hit the nail because Wordtune is perfect if you're struggling to put English words together in a meaningful sentence. So you just brain vomit whatever you want and then just leave it for rephrasing really quickly. And another social proof here is user is talking about plagiarism, and Wordtune actually helps you to avoid that. So let's give it a try. I want to write a tweet. I have a great idea. AI tools direct you to search and browse AI tools because it becomes so hard to catch you with hundreds of new tools daily. Okay, all right, so let's select all the text. We've got the rewrite. We can use the shortcut. And we've got the suggestion automatically. It's hard to keep up with the hundreds of new tools being released every day that I have no idea. AI tools. Okay. I have a great idea. I'll do for searching and browsing AI tools. So here are hundreds of new, no. So let's make it a formal tone. I have an idea, and AI tools directory to search and browse becomes increasingly difficult to keep up with the hundreds of new, a directory. That's a good rephrase. And now it sounds more professional. So there you have it. Wordtune, the AI rephrasing tool. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a writer, this tool is a game changer. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tools showcases. And let me know in the comments if you've tried Wordtune or any other interesting AI tools. Until next time, keep exploring the world of AI. I like this AI tool build with a Batman reference. I should rename this channel to AI Batcave, but probably DC would sue me out.